మాట్లాడకే. All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's get this part 2 of the stream started. So we have done the hand Queensborough like an hour back, and I had some cold, so I took some steam and I got a delivery of pen drive. I have taken that thing as well. So since we already know the knapsack and DP, let's pause it for a while and let's continue with the greedy algorithm, the job sequence and with deadlines. Classic greedy problem. Nice type of front greens and knapsack, okay. Profit and deadline. Yeah, I'm going to use this towel because don't mind that. Okay, it's not biology. So this is a job with a 90 deadline and a profit. Comparator for sorting my profit, okay. Okay, can we shorten this just for the sake of demonstration? Absolutely, okay. So yeah, this is okay. Let's try to understand this code. So what is CMP doing? Let's compare constant void pointer A and pointer B. Generic sorting using qsort. C has a standard library function qsort to sort arrays, okay. Array to sort element size of element comparator. Uh, generic. Oh god. Greedy idea. Okay. Swap the profit, swap the deadlines. That's actually pretty great. Max deadline. This is just bubble sort. Nice. And maximum deadline, you can just get the max. Okay, you can just slot it out. Total profit. Don't hardcore it. So we have profit, deadline, and jobs. And there's a number of jobs. Okay, you are just using bubbles and all the profit, deadline, and ID based on the profit and okay. Okay. Or order to buy a trade through the jobs in descending order of the profit because bubbles are okay. Profits of I is already in descending order. For j is equal to deadline, the j is greater than 0. Try to schedule the current job in the latest possible free slot before its deadline. My latest, leaving earlier slot free and all the other jobs to fit. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So in the slot, you are just putting the job and you are incrementing the profit and you are breaking it out. So go, wow, this is nice. Okay. You're trading through all the jobs. So the first Okay, this seems better already. Yeah, count decreases, but we have pushed through a lot. Short, single source shortest path, okay. Single source shortest path, okay. By connected components. Then we got the TSP traveling salesperson problem. And then the B tree is a single source shortest path. Single source shortest path. Slightly optimized version helps in BFS and AFS also. So basic digits thrown matrix. Traveling salesperson and articulation bonds. Link values. Wheel trees, okay. Nodes primary, once you see the pattern. Yep. Let's try run this one once and get it. So what is the problem that we are doing? Job sequence. That is what we are doing right now. Number 17. Mobius strip. Yesterday went crazy. Get the number of jobs, get the deadlines, and get the profits. Bubbles are the jobs. Bubbles are the based on the profits. So at the current I you can do this here deadlines of 0 as well because it is in descending order. You will get the maximum of that and get a slot. Since there are slots n minus 1 slots all initiated minus 1, let's say. For some reason lip is aching. What's happening? Yeah, it seems there's a problem with the lip. Okay, let's try run the code. Okay. This seems like a better version already. Job sequencing with deadlines. So what are the constants we are declaring? N number of jobs. You need a jobs ID, and you need the associated profit. You need the associated deadline, and sort them. Bubble for all three based on profit. Okay, we are bubble sorting all of this right, and iterate through all sorted jobs. You are iterating through all the sorted jobs. Hmm. Start from deadline. Let's say initiate the profit is equals to 0. Deadline slot. Right. You'll need the deadline slot and max deadline. Deadline is equals to okay, let's format this a little bit. God. Right. So I trade through all of the sorted jobs. High profit. Deadline 2. So J is equals to deadline of I. J greater than or equal to 0. J minus minus. If you found an empty slot, place it. Place it and break. Place it and increment the profit and break. That's it, man. That's it. Can we get this coding done today? So if this is done, most of it is done. We got this, not a big deal. We have 1 to go. We have 2 to go. We have 3 to go. What the heck? We have four to go. That's it. We have just four things to be done. So that takes another four streams. Then we will take. Yeah, they are difficult. That's one more thing. But still, we accomplished major feat. Right, hash and clone. Okay. So the global variables, everything's in the main, right? Because you are supposed to write the programs if you didn't write it in main. Let's say there are 5 jobs and jobs. Let's give them 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's give them profits. Let's do the profits. And deadlines. Let's do the deadlines as 1, 2, 4, 3, and 2. So you have the profits, you have the jobs, and you have the deadlines. So for I is equals to 0, I less than. You are just sorting the profits and sorting the other things as well. That's it. So if the profit, the first one, is less than the profit of the next one, it's profit. And temp is equals to profits of I. Profits of I is equals to profits of J. Profits of J is equals to temp. We also have the profit and also swap the jobs IDs. Jobs of I, jobs of I is equals to jobs of J, jobs of J is equals to temp, and also swap the deadlines. Deadlines of I, deadlines of I is equals to deadlines of J, deadlines of J is equals to temp. We have sorted the things, and now what are you doing? You're supposed to get the max. Deadline is equals to, let's do its deadline to 0, a more generic version of the code instead of hard coding it, and then total profit is equals to 0. Right. In slots, let's do it. Of size n minus 1 is equals to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. We did it. And int I and j, yep, they are declared in the main, so no worries. For I is equal to iterating through all the jobs and placing the placing the initial as alright, greedy. This is basically the greedy one, starting from the max deadline. If the slot so let's say the deadline is 3, and you will start from here. If slots of j obviously is not equal to -1, you are going to put the slot in the j as the job. You are going to place this. Okay, in this slot, you are placing what? You are placing this job. Yep, because you are placing the first job in this slot, and total profit plus or equals to profits of I, obviously. Okay, just like ChatGPT told you, won't confuse with I and J right now, just like what you are doing now. If this is wrong, I don't know what to do. Yeah, and you are supposed to break it because yeah, you place the maximum one and you are breaking out of the loop. That's it. And now you are for I is equals to 0, I less than, and I plus printf the jobs are the job slots are, let's say, printf percentage backslash t slots, right? Slots of I. Printf the total profit is percentile d. Wow. If this works, then that is variable says objects may not be initialized. Is that it? Really? Okay, let's remove this then. Then what's the problem? Okay. What? Uh, you got the hot a silly mistake again. Slot check logic is reversed. Okay, dude. Okay. If it is -1, you are supposed to place it. If it is -1, that means it is empty, then you are. Oh, 3, 1, 2, 4, 3. Why is it repeating? Did I repeat the jobs? Maximum deadline is 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. It is supposed to have. Okay, array size of slots. You have deadlines up to 4. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay. Okay. Something's not working. Okay. If you do this, you will get a -1 in the first. Okay. The total profit's 10, it is saying. What do you mean by the total profit is 10? The total profit is not. Okay. I less than or equal to max. Okay, this is even more fucked up. Okay. Oh, what? Dude, how do you sort it? It is less than only, right? Dude, if 2 is less than 3, swap it. 2 is less than 3. This is ascending order. Now you are supposed to sort it in descending order. Okay, if 2 is less than 5, swap it. Wow. You came to a point of forgetting bubble sort. Right, second job gets placed first. What? Okay, if you sort this in the descending order, 2 3 4 1 9 1 2 4 3 2 2 3 4 1 9. So sort them. 9 to 1 after that, what you got? 4 4, and what you got? 3 2, and then what you got? 4 2 1, and then what you got? 1 3. So you are choosing the maximum net line. 1 2 3 4. So 9 is 2. So here let's do it 1 2 3 4 5 as well. Now this is 5, and this is 3, and this is 2, and this is 1. and this is 4. So you are placing the 5 over here, and you are placing the 3 over here, and you are placing the 2 over here, and you are placing the 2 5 on 3. Is that what you got as the output? Okay, wow. 2 5 4 3. Okay. Nine, right? 9 4 4 3 3. The fourth job is actually 1, right? 9 4 3 2. Okay. If you look at this, 5 9 2, and what after 9? We got 4. That is the third job. 3 4 4. Okay, you motherfucker. 9 over 4 over 3. That is 2 3 2. Then what do we have? This is 2 1 2 1. Then what you got? 4 1 3. Now arrange them. This is fifth job is going to be placed over here, and this is third job is going to be placed over here, and this is the second job is going to be placed over here. The deadline is 1, dude. The deadline is 1. Cannot place the fourth job. That is great. Okay. Alright. Did ChatGPT write that code? Sorting. Bubble sort. Yeah. It could not identify that. It wrote its version correctly, but it could not understand my version. Okay. So we have entered into the era of debugging. So what did we do? We did the unqueen's problem, and is that what we did this entire day? Night sort, okay. Job and deadline. No, what? Yo, what? Pasted my code. Okay, this is not the one. This is our. I did the unqueen's problem. Uh, Dude, we also did another problem, right? No, I swear we did another problem. Yeah, backtracking. Okay, it seems like we skipped that problem. Zero on knapsack using backtracking. Did I skip that? Yeah, this one we skipped and we thought we did it. Zero on using DP, we did that. Okay, job sequencing with deadlines. I'm going to just copy paste it over here. Okay, that's good. Graphs, the heart of ADS. So, should I be taking a break? 57 minutes. Right, 57 minutes, people. I will take a break. The next one is single source shortest path. What is the bucket spelling? Single source shortest path in matrix. I know BFS and AFS. Is it easy? And there are the nuances. What does nuance mean? A subtle difference in the shade or meaning. Expression or sound, okay. Heated graphs. Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm. minimum distance. Boolean array. Do I have both of them? Yeah, I have both of them. Single or shortest. So let's have a see. We did min heap, we did max heap, we did quick sort, we did merge sort, we did n queens, we did 0 1 knapsack, we did job sequencing. We gotta do these three. Okay, we kind of did this. And these three, four, and five, and six. Okay. Okay. If you really work hard today, you might be able to complete this. What are these? I gotta use my pen drives as well, man. Okay, so what is happening? What is happening? Okay. What the? No, shut up. Alright, I'll take a break, dude. Yeah, I have done good. Hello, bro. Where are you from and what are you studying? Okay, I'm taking a break now. Okay, I will come back after some time.